Hey everybody, it's Connie. Some of you guys have asked me how I got started on the journey of jewelry making, and it's a really long story. But to make it short, my husband and I, back in 1998, I think, we got to travel with a delegation of Native Americans from the United States and Canada. And while on that 6 to 8 year journey, I was given the amazing opportunity and gift of learning how to create and design Native American style jewelry from the hands of the First Nations people. Um, that is a very unusual thing, but it was definitely a gift, and I saw it as a gift, and so I've stewarded that gift over the years and honored the the people who gave it to me. Since then, I've been able to expand out into some contemporary things and some other things. I do some leather work too, and maybe in the future I'll show you some pieces I've done. My jewelry's been on the Grammys, the NAMMYs, which are the Native American Music Awards, a couple of TV shows. I got to sport my own jewelry because they liked it. I was an extra. But it's just been an amazing journey, and with that gifting, it's taken us all over the world, and I'm just excited to be able to have you guys join me now on the journey, because I used to have a storefront and I was just relegated to that. But now that all the technology is pretty amazing, I can ask you guys to join with me on the journey. So if you can like and comment and subscribe to my channel, we can journey together. And I want to see some of your designs and see what you guys are doing and what kind of journey you've had. So let's get started. Let's go.